this is another video of Easy Electric series, and today we are going to unbox our 3D printer. So this is a 3D printer that we are going to learn in this series and also have our design and fusion 360, and this is a printer that we are going to have for this series of the video related to the 3D printer. So this is Ender-3 V2. So the Amazon link is on the description below. So it is for 213 bucks. So easily, it is affordable. Easily you could purchase from the Amazon link, and let's see what you could actually find inside it. So to somehow unbox this and see each component that we have. So here you see you have one box, which is the tools that you need for installation. Let's put that here. So these are the few other components that you see. You see the flash driver, and really I have no idea what they are. So definitely whenever we install, we should actually figure out. So put that there. So this is a wire. So this is two other components that we have. I just put all of them here, then it will start to install it. So this is definitely for clean up your platform that you have. So let's put these here on the side and see what else we have in the bottom of this. Okay, two more components. Probably for, I don't know, probably the step motors that we use, but we will see. So that goes there. So I'm actually done with the first one. Let's do the second one. So this should be actually more connected component. Let's see. Okay, this is the monitor that you will have. Let's put that aside. So the next is this nice stepper motor that we definitely will install them. So let's see any other short items. I take this out. So it looks actually not separated. We always, yeah, it's probably all is together. So let's just first take the item that is standalone. So let's just take this out. So this is other things that you could see here. So see how we could take this one. Yeah, should be. Okay, I take that out. So this is actually somehow is a more biggest item that you could find inside. So definitely we will see how we actually assemble them there. Okay, so that's all what we have. We put everything on the table. So now let's actually assemble it and see how we could actually make our 3D printer. Okay, now if you take a look to the instruction that you have, so I actually put the all component in exactly the same order that you see in this page, which is says list of the main part. Just make sure we have everything inside. So I start with big one, which is here. So the next is this display screen is there, and the next is the nozzle. So these nozzle somehow is not a separate component, it's somehow connected to this, and the rest is exactly the same order that you see. Somehow we should do that. It's much organized and you easily could find whatever you want. So that means I put these on my table exactly in the same order that you see here, which is somehow help me to find easily any component that I need. So the only things that I don't have inside the box is this one. So I found actually this, which is here. These bus wire clips. The only component I couldn't actually find is this M414 socket cap screw, which is I don't know, they forget to put that, or different this in the different model that you don't need that. So let's start to actually assemble, and we will know we need this one or we don't need that one. So let's to actually start to assemble after put everything in the same order that you see in the instruction that we have here. Okay, so you saw the time lapse. So because this printer is very affordable and one of the popular printers that everyone use, so there is a lot of or tons of the videos that shows how you could install that. So for that reason, I just put the time lapse there. So if you actually stuck in anywhere in installation, definitely just Google for that. There is very nice and tons of the video out there. So as you could see, I actually finished the installation, or I assembled everything. So I put everything together, so that was very straightforward. And as you could see, our printer is ready to have the first print. So in next video, as a next step, we are going to actually use these SD card that you put in the readers. You have this simple flash driver, which is include the SD card. So inside that, by the factory actually put the test file there. So in next video, we are going to somehow print the test file that we have inside it and make sure our assemble actually is right and we somehow did all connection in the right way. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video, which we are going to have our first printing in this Ender 3D printer. Thank you for watching this video.